It is an old age question that has sparked many debates. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? It's a tricky question. People have been asking it for hundreds of years, and it contains more than a little bit history. In evolutionary history, where there were no chickens, two birds that were almost but not quite chickens mated and laid an egg that hatched into the first chicken. If you are willing to call that egg a chicken's egg, then the egg came first. Otherwise, the chicken came first, and the first chicken's egg had to wait until the first chicken laid it.